Hi. How was your nap? Did you have a good nap? What do you see? Hi, Peanut. I can see your belly. Is it time to wake up? Yep, time to wake up. Did you have any dreams? Did you have sweet dreams? Yeah? That's your doggy. Giraffe. Monkey. Sock monkey. And bear. Henry, can I see your hair? It's sort of crazy right now, pink cheeks. Time to get up. Love you.